So me and my sisi is on the way to
Clearwater Beach, Opal
Yes.
Soul Resort.
Yeah, that's our favorite hangout.
And Opal Soul Resort.
Yeah. The first time I came here, my sisi bring me there. And oh my God, it's
Do
amazing.
you have a bathing suit underneath your clothes?
Yes, I
What do you
did.
mean? What color? Beige.
Mine, I have orange. Orange and beige of the day. Okay, guys. See you
Are we gonna have fun today?
Yes,
we are.
This is the Scientology building. It's so big. Here in Clearwater. The other boat, you see that? It's sinking. On the right. No. Oh.
Walang traffic.
Yeah. It's so early.
Maganda talagang Clearwater Beach. Mas gusto ko pa nga, mas madaling. Nagtingin kami ng condo dyan, kahit yan, yung dalawang yan. Nagtingin kami dyan, tig 800 na noon eh.
Ngayon, magkano? Million na.
1.5.
Oh my God.
1.3.
Can you imagine that?
Pero I would not want to live like that. Parang kang nakatira sa apartment din.
Iba pa rin pagbahay, ano?
Yeah, pero ang maganda kasi dyan, hindi mo na iniisip ang
Oo, wala nang mga... Oo. Totoo ka kasi...
It's not forever.
Ayan, gusto mo. Ayan. Marina, Cantina. Pumunta na ako dyan, nag-dolphin show. Alam mo yan? Yung mga dolphin din. Mahilig kasi ako sa dolphin. Ako nag-park noon. Malayo siya. Kaya lang may bakante. You know? Doon masyadong puno.
Kasi malapit sa hotel.
Oo.
In half a mile, turn right.
Wala pa masyadong tao. Pero puno na yung parking for sure.
Yeah.
Ayan o.
Yun na yung Opal. Hyatt naman ito. Buti napupuno itong Hyatt. Ang laki-laking hotel.
Kasi very convenient. Diba? Lalakad, hindi na kailangan magdala ng sasakyan. Sarap dito maglakad-lakad. Dito yung ginagawa ko, naglalakad lang ako dito. Pero maganda pag mga ganitong oras. Ako pag mamaya malinit na. Hilig talaga sila sa mga art dito, no? Nakakatawa, sabi naman ni Aral. Ganda.
Hopefully, merong opening doon.
The Hyatt. Mahilig talaga
Diyan ako nag-breakfast no? Yan doon, sa corner na yun.
Saan?
Yun, sa corner.
Oh,
Dito, tingnan mo kung meron. Wala yatang bakante.
for sure. We're so lucky. We found a parking right away. So we just arrived here. My dear Sisi. Weather today is perfect.
Ano? Dito o doon? Kasi dito, pwede tayong gumana, no? Tapos pag ganon.
Ganon,
Oo,
sige.
halika.
Saan tayo mag-start dito? Okay, we'll start doon.
Start lang. Ang sarap ng buhay natin.
Oo, mismo, diba? O, diba? Papasyal-pasyalan. Siyempre pa. Nagmana ako sa sisi ko. Papasyal-pasyalan. Yan lang ginawa namin.
Naganda mo talaga. Sige.
Siyempre tayo, magaganda. Oh, guys, so sweet. Parang ang papatinan. Gucci, sunglass. Danger, no trespassing. Oh, diba? Hazardous.
Ako nandyan pa ako. Nandyan ako. Nagtayo-tayo pa ako dyan noon.
Talaga. Sisi, nakakatuwa itong mga to.
Birdie,
Nakatayo lang
birdies.
sila dyan, oh,
Yeah.
no? Diba? Oh, it's just perfect. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's perfect. And this is our favorite hotel. Okay, we're going to eat breakfast first because we're already hungry. We don't start the day we're already hungry. Because usually at this time, me and my Sisi, we're already having a breakfast. So now we're so spoiled to get used to it. Now we're going to have breakfast. We're going to eat Sisi.
So we're gonna walk there and then walk through there.
Oh my God, I wish the weather is always like this, Sisi. Just perfect. Perfect.
Ano yan? Girl or boy? Boy.
Okay, that's my dash. Okay. Ouch! Yeah, for walking. It's a good exercise for us.
Naman into my home, away from home, the Oakland Sands Resort.
Wait, Sisi.
This is my home. Okay, now we'll go to the breakfast.
Our favorite hotel near Clearwater. We always choose this.
Kasi dito yung way papunta sa Opal.
Shopping. You wanna go shopping? Oh, Sisi, that's a perfect. Really match your outfit, Sisi. It's very beautiful. My dear Sisi. All matching your outfit.
Don't you want to live here?
Oh yeah, definitely. Someday, somehow. It's amazing. And me with my dear Here, Sissy.
Okay, breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Now we're hungry. And look at the view of the beach. That's where we're going later.
So just opened up like this year.
Look. Hi, beautiful. We're going to have a breakfast there. So small.
So you want to sit by the pool? So this opens at night during the day. But take a look at this one. I want to have the birthday of brother here. Drift or my birthday.
What do we do?
Huh?
Yeah?
Picture mo nga ako dito. Bilis ha?
Nice,
Ready?
Okay.
Dito. Ako.
Okay. Here. Look at the view. It's amazing. So pretty. It's the view. Drift. So pretty. Look at see.
Solo ka muna.
Ay,
Dito. Pwede tayo lumabas.
pangalan niya. Dave. While waiting for our table, let me show you around. Look at this roof. We're here at the Drift.
What time do you open? 11, thank you. Could we see the menu? Here, it's right here. Oh.
So da-da-da. And you can see the view outside. We're at the beach. I'm going to have a breakfast. I want that outside. Look at the boat. Cece, where are you? Oh, my Cece is outside. Nice here, Cece. She looks so classy, sophisticated, and of course, fabulous. And look at our view.
Yeah, right?
It's the perfect weather.
Perfect talaga
Perfect,
siya.
perfect.
And then the gemelli is protein free, so it's just the pasta and some veggies with the red sauce.
Okay.
And what some people do is add like a blackened shrimp to it to give a little protein. It's so delicious.
I see. Great.
Thank you, ladies. I'll check back.
Yeah.
Thank you, dear.
So Cece, let's get for that one that.
I like the mainit kasi.
Sige,
Kung gusto
yan.
mo,
Oh, yan.
half portion yan. Para masyadong malaki. Tapos kung talagang gusto mo pa rin ng pizza, we can do the pizza.
Yeah, let's go pizza too.
Oo. Parpachal
This one.
bolognese. Tsaka
Yung pizza and steak fries.
Talaga naman. Eh, ang galing na.
Yan.
Katie, you're amazing! Ako, Sisi, maganda itong ating steak.
You're the best, Katie. Thank you.
You're welcome, dear.
Ya lo vi eso, pero digo ya. Tenía que estar siempre. Yo lo había arreglado. Cambié la mesa de la aula.
Thank you so much, Ms. Vaughn. I put a little review card in there if you'd like to share your experience. My name again is Katie. Have a great
Yeah,
weekend.
don't forget your
Thank you
videos,
so
the best.
much.
You're welcome. So guys, the service is food is like so delicious. Entrees, appetizers, service, everything is right. Okay, so anong feel mo motive sis pag kinasal ka? Ako noon. Sabi pa lang ito, mga artista ba? vacation. Sisi. Spoiled. I miss vacation. We deserve another vacation.
Have a vacation from a vacation. Yeah.
Always vacation. Sisi. Always vacation. Yeah. Yeah. What time is it now? Ayan. Oop. Ayan na. I miss vacation. See, there's a bars here. The stuffed mushroom.
Stuffed mushroom. Parang kwan yata yan. Capturing memories.
Nakakatuwa. And there's a lot of bars outside. Kasi the weather is perfect, that's why.
Tapos na yata yung God Paradise.
Ito yung parang city ng Safety Harbor.
Hindi, itong Old Town.
Ah, Old Town. Steakhouse, there's a Greek restaurant, there's Starbucks here. Cute ng dress niya, ang simple. Simple, but remember that place where Michael Jackson, Byron, and Elizabeth Taylor? Ayan. Oh yeah, before we enter from the other side. This is the Safety Harbor Resort and Spa. That's where Fountain Grill Restaurant.
Ano ba ito? Hindi ba pwede mag-park dito? Ay, nakasarado.
Ah, nakasarado weekend. Ah,
Hindi. Valet parking only. You have to give your key to them. Balik na lang ako noon. Mayroon yatang parking. Dito naman public.
pag weekend talaga marami.
Gusto mo diyan? Pag public parking?